Today we're going to go over how we find the area of a triangle. First, let's look at how we find the area of a rectangle. We would take 7 centimeters times 5 centimeters to get 35 centimeters. If we counted all of these squares, we would get our 35 centimeters. But what about a triangle? A triangle is half of a rectangle or square shape. So if I draw a line and try to find just the area of this lower triangle, it would be very difficult to count all of these little tiny odd pieces, and that there's a missing piece here and a missing piece, to be able to get the area just by counting. So the formula for finding that is base times height, the same as finding a rectangle, only we're going to multiply it by a half, or you could say divide by 2. Let's check this out. 7 times 5 times half. 35 times half, or divided by 2, would be 17 and 5/10 centimeters cubed. We cannot forget that cubed is part of our answer. Let's look at another one. Before I go on, I want to make sure you notice that the base could be this, and this could be the height, or you might see it drawn like this. This is the base, and this would be the height of the triangle. But let's try another one. If I have a triangle shaped like this would be the base, and this would be the height. Now let me get rid of that, and I'll give you the dimensions. In this case, it's going to be 2 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Hit pause and see if you could solve this on your own. Did you say that the area would be 8 times 2 times half, which would be 16 times half, which comes to 8 centimeters squared. How about this one? This is 6 miles, and this is 4 miles. Now you try and solve it on your own. Did you say that 6 times 4 times half is 24 times half, which was 12 miles squared? If you did it right. This will be our last practice one. This is going to be 4 inches, and this will also be 4 inches. Hit pause and try to find the area of this triangle. Did you do it like this? 4 times 4 times half, 16 times half, 8 inches squared. How did you do? For our last slide, I'd like you to go ahead and draw this on your piece of paper, and I would like you to copy the triangle, the measurements, and solve for the area. Bring that in with you tomorrow. Go ahead and copy these down and bring it in with you. I can't wait to see you tomorrow.